What's the meaning of crackdown? Crackdown. Crackdown.
Crackdown. Crackdown. A crackdown is a strong and forceful action taken by authorities to stop or prevent illegal or undesirable activities. The result of a crackdown is often an increase in arrests, prosecutions, and penalties for those who violate the law. In some cases, a crackdown may also involve increased surveillance and monitoring of individuals or groups suspected of engaging in criminal activities. The ultimate goal of a crackdown is to deter further criminal behavior and maintain public safety and order.